Hey, I'm Sam from Rennline. Today we're going to be installing an ExactFit phone mount into this R53 Mini Cooper S. The install is pretty straightforward. All you need is a Torx screwdriver. You're going to start by removing two Torx screws right here. I've already taken them out just for the sake of this video. It sometimes helps to open the glove box to be able to get at the top one. So from there, you want to put a little pressure on this trim, pull it out, pull out this oval trim piece. You've got two screws here that hold in your radio, so you're going to want to remove those. And then you take your phone mount, which has two slots. I've already installed the aluminum ball. This is a 14mm wrench and an Allen key on the back. So go ahead and put this back on. Once you have the two screws reinstalled and the phone mount secure, you want to reinstall your trim piece here. Start with the bottom and also open your glove box. Takes a little bit of muscle, but you shouldn't have to break anything. And then just click this back into place here. Once you've gotten your trim piece back on and this trim piece clicked in, you need to install your magnet mount. So this just snaps onto the ball and the collar tightens it. So put your collar on, snap the magnet on, and then tighten the collar behind it. The last bit is to reinstall the screws that you took out of here. So there's one, and two. Next, you can put your phone back on, but you have to put the adhesive-backed steel pads that we have. I have it between my phone and my case. And now you're all set. You can adjust to the angle that you prefer, and it's good to go.